dinner was a simple pasta with a jarred sauce.
I am. I'm at the stairs. Yeah, I am.
Because he'd not been feeling well leading up to going into hospital.
For lunch, I had a salad with air fryer toast crouton. I also chopped a bunch of spinach. And I rubbed half of a garlic clove on the toast when it was done. Then I grated carrots, and of course, Puppy gets hers. And sometimes she takes it nice, and sometimes she doesn't feel like it. And then I added the salad dressing and gave it a mix, and then I grated some cheese in. This is the Kerrygold from Costco, and it's the best ever. In goes some red onion and the toast croutons. Some seeds for crunch. I added pumpkin seeds, which have a lot of magnesium, and some sunflower And then I ate this while I read my book, and I could eat this every day. While my tea was steeping, I made my February calendar, even though it was already the 10th or 11th. When I started making these calendars, it was because I could never find one that I really liked, and I thought I would keep making themed ones, but then after December, the first month, I stopped. January was a rough month, and February has kind of been the same. I love toast, and I love avocado toast, and I make it in pretty much the same way every time. The avocado has lime juice and sambal oelek in it. And I crumble feta cheese in. I usually top this with balsamic glaze, but I didn't have any today, so I just went with a whole bunch of seeds. I used pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and ham hearts. After being outside in the cold, I just want warm things, so I made a quick tomato soup. I air fried the tomatoes with some onion and garlic to roast it, and then I did the same with the croissant, just to make some croutons. I blended the tomatoes and everything and then added it to a pot. Then I added some cream and heated this through and served it with the croutons. She's so cute. And then I had a little egg salad snack and made some dinner for my son. We had rice, he had chicken strips and cream corn. And my daughter and I had tuna rice bowls. We usually have cucumbers and avocado with this, but the avocados weren't ripe and we didn't have cucumbers. But this was really good anyways.
Bye.